Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hey, welcome to the video. We know that V1 M1 is equal to V2 M2, and here we have HCl which is of 25.0 ml with unknown molarity which is M1, and this is titrated against 25.11 ml of NaOH with molarity, that is M2, to be equal to 0.300 m. And here from this we can equate M1 to be equal to V2 into M2 divided by V1, which would be equal to 25.11 ml into 0.300 m, this divided by 25 ml, and on calculating this we would get the molarity of HCl to be equal to 0.30132, and we know that the percent error is equal to the measured value minus the absolute value divided by the absolute value into 100. Therefore, from this the percent error would be equal to the measured value, which is 0.30132 minus the absolute value, that is the value that was predicted, which is 0.300 divided by the absolute value, which is 0.3000 into 100. We would get the percent error to be equal to 0.0044 into 100, and therefore from this the percent error is equal to 0.44%. Hope the video was useful. Thank you.